What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Watch Rome. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that for me. Trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers, and I really do appreciate that if y'all help me get there. And I will continue to bring you great entertainment. And you can comment down below and let me know what you like for me to talk about. You know what I'm saying? But I have a story for y'all. I'm not sure if y'all have ever heard this before in your life, if you have ever experienced this. So I had a boy of mine that I grew up with, and who also that I have made a little music with here and there, um, by the name of King Money. That's his rap name. So, and we got a song on YouTube, by the way, called the 804 Connection. If you like to check that out, you can do so. I appreciate y'all check that out also. So I had some leftover pizza, and it was from Domino's. So, and I don't normally eat Domino's, but I was just getting it to try it, to see what it tastes like. So I had leftover pizza, and um, my man King Money said, "Hey, put some water on it before you heat it up, because you know how when the pizza is all hard before you um before you eat it and all that out of the refrigerator." So he was like, "Put water." So I put water on the pizza and then heat it up and watch it taste like the cheese, the spices and all that. It comes back to life and all that. But so I actually tried it, and soon as I popped it in the microwave, the cheese was all shiny, cheese was all wet, all more had the moisture on there, and and it tastes like it was freshly made, hot and ready, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? And hey, I ain't gonna lie, I tried again like that. It tastes like it was fresh. The way he told me to do that. Yeah, I should try it. And by the way, the pizza that I was trying was a little something different, because I'm not trying to eat the pork, the pepperoni, and all that. So I tried grilled chicken, honey barbecue sauce, pineapples, and they do go on pizza. They do. It's good. Um, and it's something about that sauce, how they make it, how Domino's make it. It was good. It was good. But if y'all want to try it, go ahead and try it. They got good pasta too, and good the chocolate lava cakes. Those are alright too. Um, hey, hey man, but my man gave me some good advice though. That was good. It didn't taste like it was rock hard and all that. It tastes like it was just made. So that's hey, it was good though. But I need y'all to comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share it if you like to. And most of all, subscribe. Subscribe. And I catch y'all on the next video. Gone.